Okay, this is a lesson on basically conversions, as most of the lessons will be in this sustainability section. So let's look at how much 100 gallons of water would weigh on Mars. Some facts we need to know is what the weight of water is on Earth, and it weighs a kilogram per liter on Earth. And a gallon is 3.785 liters. A kilogram is 2.205 pounds. And the Mars gravity is 38% of Earth's. So pounds is a weight, and I want to find out what this weighs in pounds on Mars. So I'm going to start with 100 gallons, and basically all it is a giant conversion. I'm going to convert gallons to liters, and then I know there's a kilogram per liter, so this relates kilograms and liters. I can change to kilograms, and from this I can use kilograms to pounds. So to do conversions, we set up unit ratios, and we'll multiply so that we can eliminate gallons and convert gallons to, in this case, liters. So we'll go gallons to liters, and it tells us that 1 gallon is 3.785 liters. That'll do that conversion. And then we can convert liters to kilograms, liters of water, that is, to kilograms. So 1 kilogram, basically, it's just 1 to 1. 1 kilogram is 1 liter. So that's not really going to change anything other than just note that the units there change. And here we can now change kilograms to pounds, because 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.205 pounds. Now we'll come along and just make note of the reducing that's involved. Of course, this really is 100 gallons over 1. The gallons will reduce, the liters will reduce, the kilograms will reduce, and the only unit left in the numerator will be pounds. And so notice all our denominators in this particular conversion are 1. So we're going to take 100 times 3.785 times 1 times 2.205. Well, 100 times 3.785, we know we can just move that decimal point 2 to the right. So all I really need to do is take 378.5 and multiply it by 2.205. And do a little calculation there, and that's 834.59. So 0.59 pounds. Now that is on Earth. We were taking the water weight on Earth. Oh, actually, this is the water mass. Kilograms is actually a mass. And we're turning mass on Earth is 2.205. So now this is its Earth weight. But things on Mars only weigh, since the gravity is only 38% of Earth's, you have to take 38% of whatever something weighs on Earth. So you have to take 38% of the 834.59 pounds. So fortunately I have that 834 already in my calculator, so I'll just take that answer and go times 0.38, and I've got 317. So 100 gallons of water on Mars would only weigh about 317. I'm not going to carry out the decimals. About 317 pounds. It's not exactly 38%. And so anyway, none of these gallons and liters, none of these conversions are exact. So we don't want to pretend like we've got an exact answer there. So it's about 317 pounds. Well, that's quite a bit less. 100 gallons, we would never think of being able to haul 100 gallons alone on Earth. But 317 pounds, if that was in a barrel or something, then 100 gallons, 2 50-gallon barrels. 50-gallon barrels are common. So, that would be half of that, only 160 pounds or so. So anyway, that is how you convert some a unit on Earth to units on Mars with our conversion factors.